Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving this problem called find angle MBC. Here you can see the angle is MBC, which is theta, and here you can see we are given with nothing, and here ABC is a right triangle 90 degree at B. You can see this is a right angle triangle ABC, and where ABC is 90 degree, and M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AC, and will be given with the lengths AB and BC. AB and BC. Your task is to find MBC angle theta as shown in the figure in degrees. So we have to convert into degrees, and you can see these two lines are equal. These dash lines you can see means AM is equal to MC. Okay. So we'll be given with first AB and then BC, and both are between 0 to 100. The length AB and BC are natural numbers. We have to calculate the output will be angle MBC in degrees. We have to round the angle to the nearest integer. Okay, so we have to round off. So here you can see an example. If the angle is 556.501, then it has to be 57. If it is 56.5, then it has to be 57, but if it is 56.49999, then it has to be 56. Okay, so that's how we have to round it, and theta is between 0 and 90. So you can see AB is there, BC is there, so the angle MBC is 45 degrees. So I'll go through the logic, what logic I'll be using, and then I'll be implementing in code. So let's go to the whiteboard where I'll explain the logic, and then same thing will implement in code as well. Okay, so I've written the problem here. Find the angle MBC. So this is the triangle given to us, right angle triangle at B, ABC. AB and BC will be given to us. We have to calculate this angle theta, whereas MC is equal to AM is given to us. Okay, so the trick to solve this problem is using cosine formula. Whenever you have to relate the sides with angles in any triangle, you can use cosine formulas. It is also called as law of cosines, cosine rules, different names of that. So what this says is, here you can see if you have a triangle like this, any triangle, and you want to relate the sides with the angle, with its angle, then these are the relations. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos angle of X, where A, B, C are the sides and X, Y, Z are the angles. So if you have to relate X with this side A, you can see B square plus C square is equal minus 2BC cos angle X. So you can see the sides A, B, C are related to the angle X, right? Similarly, you can relate the angle Y and Z as well. So B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos angle Y. In this way you can relate angle Y with ABC. Similarly, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos angle of Z. Means you can relate angle Z with all the sides. Okay, so that is how you can relate the sides with angle. So this concept I'll be using here. So see what I have. So here you can see will be given with AB and BC, right? So we can calculate AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? Hypotenuse theorem. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, whereas we know MC is equal to AC divided by 2, right? Because these two sides are equal. Once I have this side and this side, I can use cosine formula to calculate this side. How? Because I'll be knowing this angle. What this angle will be? I can use 10, let's say theta dash, this is your theta dash, is equal to AB by BC, right? This is how I'll be getting theta dash, right? So I can use this angle, corresponding to this angle I can apply the cosine formula. What that will be? So this angle I have, this side I want, so MB square is equal to the rest sides MC square plus BC square minus 2 MC BC cos theta dash. Okay, this will be the cosine. So this you can see this side is this side and this side square minus 2 MC BC cos theta dash. Okay, let's say if you want to relate with that, let's say you want to calculate A, you have C and B and angle X. So if you will fill here, you will get the value of A. That's what I am doing here. Now once you will have the value of MB, which is this guy, now you have all three sides, this guy and this guy. Now you can corresponding to theta you can apply the cosine formula. So let me do that. So this is theta, so this side will be there, MC square is equal to MB square plus BC square minus 2 MB BC cos theta. You want theta, you have MB, right? Just now we calculated. You have BC, here we have it was given to you, right? So you have MB BC and MC is calculated here. Okay, this MC. So we will be using 2 times cosine formula and we will be able to get the value of theta. So the same thing I will do. So here, from here, if you want to calculate cos theta, you can write it as cos theta is equal to MC square minus these guys MB square minus BC square divided by it is not correct, so signs will be different. So 2 MB BC I will keep here. So MB square plus BC square minus MC square divided by 2 MB BC. That's how you will calculate the cos theta, right? I have rearranged. So MC I bought here and this term I bought there and 2 MB BC in divide. So that's how this expression will be writing. All these expression will be writing. So I hope you got the feel how we'll be solving this problem. Okay, so let's go to the screen now. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the logic. Let me now write the code. Same thing whatever I explained you in the board, same thing I'll do here. So first I'll import math for calculation, then I'll take the values AB and BC, int input. Similarly I'll have BC equal to int input. Now what we can do, we can calculate the hypotenuse by right angle triangle. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? So let me write that expression. So AC is equal to math dot square root SQRT of AB square, AB I'll do double star 2 AB square plus, that you will be able to see properly, AB square plus BC square, BC square, and square root of that will give us, square root of this will give us AC. Hypotenuse theorem I applied. Once you will have AC, this AC once you will have, you can calculate MC. MC will be half of AC, right? So MC is equal to AC divided by 2, right? Once you have MC, and then you have to calculate this angle theta dash, what I was calling BCM or MCB, whatever you can call. I'll call it as BCA. Okay, so let me write BCA angle is equal to what, tan inverse. So what, how can you write tan inverse? Math dot A tan. Okay, A tan you have to write for tan inverse, and here you can write what is the angle, AB divided by BC, right? AB divided by BC. So tan theta dash will be AB divided by BC. So I'm calculating tan inverse here. Okay, so angle BCA, once you will get the angle BCA, you have side MC, so you can calculate MB, right? So I'll write the expression MB is equal to that cosine formula I'll write. So math dot sqrt inside square root, what I'll be having, BC square plus MC square, right? BC square plus MC square, BC square plus MC square, I'll keep this in a bracket. Then I'll write minus 2 BCMC minus 2 BCMC, right? Minus 2 BCMC math cos, then I'll write cos theta, right? So star math dot cos theta dash is what? BCA, right? This is how you can calculate theta dash is cos BCA. So this bracket I'll keep together so that you'll be able to see. Okay, so this is one expression, then this is second expression. Okay, everything is under square root. Okay, so this BC square, this side is square plus so MB we want, right? MB square is equal to BC square plus MC square minus 2 BCMC cos theta. That's what I have used. Now again, now we have MB, BC and MC, so all three we have sides, so we can calculate theta dash. So let me call it theta. I'll got theta. Now we have to write a different expression. So math dot a cos, so cos inverse, inside this we have to write the expression. So BC square plus MB square will be same, no, MB square will be there, sorry, control C, control V, BC square plus MB square, right? BC square plus MB square minus 2 MC square minus not 2 MC square. Okay, so this will give you one expression, so I'll keep it in bracket. Okay, then I'll divide it by 2 BC MB, okay, so that is how you will be able to 2 star 2 BCMC, and this will give you so I'll keep it in this guy in different bracket. So now you will be able to see the angle. So what I am trying to calculate is this angle, right? So MC square is equal to BC square plus MB square minus 2 MB BC. So that is what I have written, but rearranged. Cos theta I am calculating, right? So theta, that's why here cos inverse is there. So BC square plus MB square will be as it is. This here has to be minus MC square, okay, and then divide by 2 BC MB. That will give you theta. Now theta we have to convert into degrees. So theta is equal to math dot degrees theta, okay, theta, but we have to also round off, so I'll do round. I think that will work. Okay, just doing round will round off. Okay, so let's print the theta. theta and see whether it is. So the answer is correct, but you forgot this degree. Okay, degree sign. So degree symbol we have to put. So let me write it. So if you will write, you can write it via this code. So this you can Google search if you want how to write degree symbol. So I am just writing here U00 B0. Okay, so this is how it will look. Unsupported order, because integer you are attaching with str, so you have to, because this is an integer type and this is your string and you are attaching, concatenating integer with a string, so that's why it is showing error. So let me convert this guy into a string theta. So now you are having the answer. Okay, submitted, all the test cases are passed and we have solved this problem. Okay, so that was it. Whatever I did here, I have explained you in the board, so same thing I have written here. Okay, so simple as it is. So all the test cases are passed and we are finished with all the challenges, 115 out of 115. You can go back and see, no, there are no challenges unsolved type. So we have finished and solved. If you will see, solved, if you will see, these are the solved, all are solved. Okay, all are solved, all are solved, all are solved. So hopefully you have enjoyed this whole series, and now we are at rank 1, you can see here, and we have also have a 5-star now. So this is something new I was trying. Yeah, so let me close this and I'll what you have to do next and what else you can do, that I'll be explaining you in the next video. So this was it. Hopefully you have enjoyed it and you have learned something from this playlist or this list. So at least as a beginner you might get some help, and if you have seen me doing it all the problems, then at least some percentage of coding you have learned, you might have learned. So that was my goal. So if this happened in your case, I'll be satisfied by making this whole series. Okay, so see you guys in the next